Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious chicken breast. Juicy, delicious, and made in the oven. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These amazing chicken breast, juicy, delicious, made in the oven. These are my ingredients: salt, pink Himalaya salt, black pepper, cumin, garlic powder, smoked paprika, parsley, and of course our chicken breast. Let's make it in the oven and let's enjoy this juicy and delicious chicken breast. So let's get started. Here, I want to start first preparing all the spices. I have 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of salt, Himalaya pink salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Of course, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of parsley. All these ingredients is going to give the chicken such a delicious and amazing flavor. A lot of people are scared of cooking chicken breast in the oven because they say that it comes out too dry and not moist. Well, this is the perfect recipe. Let me show you how to make it and how to enjoy it. Of course, what is the temperature of the oven when you put chicken breast inside your oven? It needs to be 425. Yes, not 350. 425, so that the breast really keeps the juices inside. It cooks really quick. In about 25 minutes, your breast is going to be such tender, moist, and delicious. Well, here I have the 4 chicken breasts. These are large chicken breasts. I am going to add a little bit of vegetable oil right on the top. I'm going to rub it in really good, making sure that it's nice and rubbed in so that when I add the spices, everything sticks right into the chicken breast. On the other side, I'm doing the same thing, adding a little bit of vegetable oil. And let me tell you, this chicken breast really comes out so delicious, so moist, crispy from the outside, but yet very moist, tender from the inside. I am adding all the spices right on the top. I'm going to make sure that I rub it really good, making sure that everything is completely covered with all these amazing and delicious spices. Now, I am going to flip them over and I am going to do the same thing, adding all the seasoning right on the top. This is a dry rub. Let me tell you, the chicken is really going to get penetrated with this dry rub right on the top. I am using everything. All the rub, I'm going to use it. All the spices. I want to cover the chicken breast really good from both sides, making sure that every little crevices is completely covered with these amazing spices. By this time, I have preheated my oven to 425 Fahrenheit. Yes, you heard me right. 425 Fahrenheit. You want to cook the chicken in high heat so that it gets nice and crispy from the outside, but yet really moist and tender from the inside. And now I am ready to put my baking dish, add the chicken breast right on the top. We are not going to cover it. We are going to cook it just like this. After 15 minutes, in the oven, we are going to flip the chicken breast only once and then cook it for the other remaining 10 minutes. Look how amazing they look. Nice and covered with all the seasoning. And now we're going to add it in the oven, cook it for 15 minutes. Then we're going to flip it over on the other side and continue cooking for another 10 minutes. Total, it's going to be 25 minutes. Every oven is different. We're going to cook it, put it inside again for the last 10 minutes, and then we are ready to show you how they come out. The temperature, internal temperature, should be 170 to 180. It's really going to come out so moist. Once you take them out of the oven, you're going to cover them with foil paper and then just let them come to room temperature. Let them rest so that you could really enjoy how tender, how moist the chicken breast is from the inside. Look at this. All the juices are still inside. We didn't, cut it right out coming of the oven. We let it rest for about 10 minutes and now we're ready to slice. Look how amazing this looks. I am so ready to enjoy it. Of course, you could enjoy it with pasta. You could enjoy it with rice. You could enjoy it with an amazing salad. You could enjoy it even with veggies. You decide what you want to enjoy it with. But let me tell you, all those juices that were left behind on the baking dish, I am going to add it right on the top. All those amazing juices and flavors. And now I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. I am completely done with this amazing juicy chicken breast made in the oven, of course, with lots of love. This is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. So juicy. Of course, you could enjoy it with an amazing pasta, with rice, an amazing fideo soup. You decide. Or with lots and lots of veggies. This chicken breast came out amazing and delicious, moist and juicy. I hope, my friends, you make it and you enjoy what Cooking with Gloria enjoys with her beautiful family. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say, I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this amazing chicken breast. Sweet, tender, moist, and amazing because it's made with lots of love. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.